Hi, my name is Sahara and we're at the Thistle Hotel in London Heathrow.
Does it keep the mic a little bit closer? What's the event? What is the event about?
Oh, the event is about HMOs and service to accommodation property.
Fantastic. Who's running it?
Samuel Leeds.
Incredible. How did you hear about Samuel?
Online actually. So we came across his videos online and decided to take the plunge and go into property and see what it was all about.
Fantastic. What is the best thing about an event like this?
All the information. It is a lot of information to take in, so you can't just leap into property and buy a property. You've got to think about all the legalities and all the formalities. Doing something, a conference like this, gives you the opportunity to collaborate with people, meet different people from different walks of life, see who's doing well, get different ideas, different strategies. So you can basically collaborate and get ideas from everyone else.
Fantastic. What's Samuel like on stage?
He's excellent. He's full of energy, full of information, and he just pushes all the information into you. There's no getting away with it.
Amazing. And during the course, like there's people on the phones. They're kind of like they're landing deals, and they're talking to estate agents. What's it like seeing that in person?
It's amazing. It's like you can do it. It's not just about, oh, you can't sit back and think about it. You just have to get up and go for it. So watching people do it gives you the motivation to do it yourself.
Incredible. And what would you say to someone who was thinking about getting into property?
There's no thinking. You just got to do it. If the more you think, the more slower you will get. If you just do it, it will work out. And the great thing about this course is that you've got the backup from everybody else. You've got the finance, you've got the legals, you've got the deal analyzers. So if you're thinking about doing something, you can get it double checked with the guys on the academy. And you're less likely to fail.